broken too, ladies and gentlemen. Good thing everyone's okay, but that was a heck of a... Thomas Williams out of Brighton, the AJK Enterprises sponsor, Kenworth. Excuse me, AJR Enterprises. 337 and 93, 337.9, 320.2 miles per hour.
So that's your drone?
Couldn't stop that one. 389 and 86, 389.86 feet, 20 miles an hour. Had to wave the red flag. He was ready to take the sled home with him. What a monster pass there from the Peterbilt. Going out the far end of the track. Green flags. Dakota Haslock, the Western Star out of Howell. We were able to bring that one to a stop. 375 and 77, 375 and 77, 24.6 miles an hour. Puts it to the number 2 spot. Slight change in the odor, actually. That looks like that's Dakota Haslock out of Howell. That's the 2007 Western Star. Pass for Dalton Crittenden right here out of Fowlerville, Michigan. 02 Peterbilt, 343 and 47, 343.47 feet. We'll have the results of the semi-class here in just a second.